What's up everyone? Today is October 2nd and it is finally October. I am so excited. October is one of my favorite months because obviously, as you can tell here, I love doing fun makeups. This is like the perfect month to really bring in your inner child and just have a lot of fun, be creative, and enjoy what you're doing. But with that being said, today is our October Grow Space update and we have a lot going on. So let's go ahead and talk about a few of the experiments that you guys are going to be seeing soon. So some of the experiments that we have coming up, we're gonna have some more of those light experiments for you guys with some lights that we actually haven't put against each other yet. We're also going to be bringing back some more fluorescent versus LED light experiments. And this time we're gonna try to get the par as close to each other as we possibly can. That way it's a little bit more balanced instead of one being higher than the other, and we can get a better comparison for these microgreens. On top of that, we're gonna have some more worm casting grows coming up. That's something that we've started to do a little bit more of, is soil additives. And so far with the worm castings, we've really been loving the boost of growth that they give us, and we're trying to figure out now how to get rid of that bitter flavor that they do seem to give us. In addition to the worm castings, we're also gonna try some other soil nutrient additives. We're really excited to share those with you guys because we've gotten some kind of mixed results here and there, and I think it's gonna be fun. On top of that, I have a mix that I'm doing, which I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, but it is Halloween themed, and I think you guys are gonna love it. Plus, it'll really show you guys how to create your own mix that's not from a mixed seed variety, so that's gonna be fun. On top of that, we're gonna be moving more things out to our grow space because, as you guys know, we used to grow inside of a grow trailer that we had custom done, and we loved it, but then it started to get super hot in Texas, and with our filming, we have to turn like all the lights on, turn off the AC and everything, so the heat was it was too much. So that's why we actually moved into our house, on top of just doing some more home grows for you guys. But we're gonna be moving more stuff out there again, and we're really excited because I think you guys are gonna love what we're gonna be doing, because it's not necessarily just gonna be microgreens, so keep an eye out for that. We're also going to continue to do 3 microgreens videos per week, but we're gonna be sprinkling in some houseplant videos as well. Whenever it comes to our houseplant videos, we're gonna still do some fun things, which I'm not gonna mention yet, propagation, and also show you guys how to take care of them, because it is that time of year where it is just the best time to get all the houseplants you possibly can and just surround yourself by life. And personally, I've been going a little bit nuts recently, and I know CJ is probably like, stop bringing home houseplants, but I'm addicted to them, guys. They're amazing. And last but not least, our masterclass course. So I know in our past grow update, we actually said that we were going to have that done at the end of last month now, but it appears it's taking us just a little bit longer than we expected. We are working on it, but we didn't meet our quota like we wanted to. But don't worry, it will be coming up and it's going to be awesome. We've already started to kind of put things together and getting like kind of a feel for it. And I think you guys are going to be so excited when it's out because it's going to be filled with a lot of great information for all of you. One more thing that I almost forgot. We're also gonna be doing some more stuff around home growing. I'm actually going to tomorrow or today, I'm not really sure yet, but I'm gonna be starting some fun videos for you guys at home using some really cute little tray things that I think you guys will enjoy because not only are they beautiful, but they're easy to use. So we'll see that soon. Well, you guys, that is it for our October Grow Space update. This is literally the best month of the year, but I am so excited for you guys to see all the new content that we have coming up. I'm excited to continue to do fun, creative things like what we have going on right here. And also, if you haven't seen our Instagram, we have a really funny theme going on right now that we're gonna continue to do. Just check out our reels because you're gonna laugh. I mean, we laugh. It might not be for everyone, but we love it. Anyways, we love you guys. You guys are amazing, the best supporters in the world. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the week or weekend now. And believe in magic plants.